All right, I'm back for my 2-year anniversary. My 2-year anniversary will be Tuesday, but it's gonna rain the next few days. Today is Saturday. I'm gonna try to get a little slow run in, because since I crashed this car last time, it's been acting up real bad. Show you that it's connected. Let's hit track, start. Let's see if I can get a little quick, easy pass in with this thing. This is the compound gearing car, the G14 V2 Limitless. I've been having a lot of issues out of this car since I crashed it. Okay. So, let me see if I can get a... It's only on one 4S battery. That's all I'm running. See if I can get a decent pass in on here. I'm not going to even do the whole entire block. This car be doing what it want to do. See if I can get it straightened out. It looks straight. Am I clear, Deja? Alright, let's see if I can get a okay pass in. That motherfucker was leaning to the right for real. Got cars coming. See if I can get it back. Probably did like a few miles per hour. That was just a little slow pass. This car still got a lot of problems. So let's see, stop, read, only 92. Yeah, it was pulling right real bad. This car still has a lot of issues since the crash. It ain't been going straight since. As you look behind me. All right. I'm gonna try to see if I can. Hopefully, I don't tear it up. It's all over the road, man. This is terrible. This car does not run good right now. Does not run good at all right now. Stop. Read. Only 80 on that one. Well, that's enough. The car is not dialed in at all. So, you're gonna be on YouTube. You get out that car.
No, I'm not.
You on my video?
When I go to Six Flags.
I'm shooting a video right now. You're interrupting my video. Okay, let's see. That only did 80. The car is not dialed in. I don't know. Something must be off on this car from the crash that I didn't fix. Because this car does not go straight to shit. No. Let's see, let's just turn it off. I only have one 4S hooked up. So unplug that. Yeah, see. Cut off. It'll cut off. Yeah, there we go. It cut off. Okay. We can turn all this off. Okay, it's freezing cold out here. But that's what I got going on. You know, I got the compound gearing on there. But I'm gonna try to get out and get some more run in when the weather get better. But I just wanted to do this run for my 2-year anniversary from the accident. I had the accident, I was right over there. I'm gonna post a video, real quick video for y'all to see. So I've been seeing a lot of y'all in the streets, trying to get y'all out the street. So this video right here, so this don't happen to y'all. Oh! So I want to thank everybody for watching. Still the same 1721 motor. Cut the compound gearing. I just running some little, you know, whatever them are, HRB batteries. Y'all know everything on the car. So I'm out. See y'all in the next video.